As I said last week, we're missing out on a lot of music recently. Like, you know, it doesn't feel like you can just tune into a music channel and get the music genre that you really want or looking for. So I'm here to help you guys to find the music that keeps your heart pumping and your feet tapping. Let's have a look at a website that I've just found, and you can actually search for music from your generation. So this should be cool. Let's have a look. So the website we're going to use today to find our music is called The Nostalgia Machine. If you want to find this website yourself, the link to this website should be in the description. So when you first load up this website, you will have this appear on your screen. You have a pick a year option and a hit me option, which is just here. We'll select a year now. So let's have a look at what years are available. It does go quite a while back. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll pick 1996. And then we'll click hit me, and as you can see, it draws up videos from YouTube, various music videos from that year. I don't actually know how accurate the year grouping of these videos are because I haven't double checked. You know, some of these songs are from my childhood, so it's sort of like a bit of a blur as to when songs were released. The website can occasionally show videos that have been deleted or are no longer available on YouTube. As you can see here, we've selected a video that is no longer available on YouTube, and what it does is it shows an interface on the right hand side of the screen with a video player to play your selected song. Now we're going to select a different year. We'll go a bit further back to 1954. So that we don't get a copyright claim, I'm going to blur the music video on the right hand side. It actually is LMFAO, Party Rock Anthem. I'm going to blur that out so we don't get a copyright strike on this video. Party Rock Anthem was actually released in 2012, the year 2012. Yeah, link in the description. So yeah, that was a pretty cool application. I'm going to be using it myself actually, so I can help myself find music from certain years or genres and so forth. So it's going to be quite fun. Hope this episode has benefited you guys, and hope to see you here next week. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to the subscribe button so you get a notification of when our next episode or next video is being uploaded. That was a mouthful. And yeah, comment down below if you enjoyed this episode. That thumbs up really helps us, guys, so if you can give us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel, on any of our videos, that's beneficial for us, guys. Helps us to continue doing what we're doing here. And yeah, see you here next time, guys, next week.